Today's recipe is very simple. We will make garlic soup with homemade croutons. You will need 2 large potatoes, 5 cloves of garlic, bread, lard, caraway, marjoram, and salt. Peel and dice the potatoes. We will boil the diced potatoes in 1 liter of water until they are soft. Add 2 teaspoons of caraway seeds. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Cook until the potatoes are soft. Peel 5 cloves of garlic. Chop them into pieces if needed, to be able to put them through a garlic press. Cut a slice of sourdough bread into small squares. Heat up a pan, and add a heaped tablespoon of lard. Once all the lard is melted, add the diced bread, and fry the pieces of bread from all sides. Once the pieces of bread turn golden brown, transfer them onto a plate. Once the potatoes are boiled, add a teaspoon of dried marjoram to the soup. Add the garlic, using a garlic press. We will now boil the soup for only about a minute, for a fresh, strong taste. After a minute, taste the soup and add more salt, if needed. If you find the taste is too strong, boil the soup for a little bit longer, to cook the garlic more. Transfer the soup to a bowl. Add the croutons just before serving.